Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I'm in the house with something really cool. Here I have the Sinkevich collaboration with Shirogorov Poluchotky knife. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. For example, just look at this leather pouch made by Nazgul, custom made for, of course, for this beauty right over here. Nice bear. So this is the Poluchotky. It's a beautiful titanium frame lock, big boy. In fact, overall length of this guy is going to be 9.4 inches with a 4.4 inch long blade and a little bit over 5 inch, like 5.5 inch long handle. Very interesting titanium frame lock. There's 200 made of these guys. It has a M390 blade steel. It's running on 3 rows of multi-row bearings. It has a 5.1 ounces of weight. It has some pretty cool micro milling going on over here. Blue anodized titanium backspacer matching the pocket clip and the pivot. Nice. Look at the. I mean, come on. Look at the swedge. Look at all the lines. There's a lot of things going on in this knife for short geared backspacer. It's nicely done, absolutely centered. It's a big boy, feels good in the hand. The action also is like absolutely drop shotty, but in a kind of like in a controlled way. Feels a little bit dry. There's internal skeletonization, and it's of course very expensive. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review for this guy. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.